Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google storage in Google Workspace. Knowing how much storage you're using is essential for managing your files effectively and avoiding any unexpected limits that could disrupt your workflow. Let's walk through this together. First, open your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. This is your main hub for accessing all your Google Drive files and storage information. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google Workspace account credentials. Make sure you're using your Workspace account, as this is where your organization's storage allocation will be displayed. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side menu. You'll need to locate and click on Storage. Depending on your screen size, you might need to scroll down a bit to find it. This section is specifically designed to give you a clear overview of your storage usage across all Google services, including Drive, Gmail, and Photos. After clicking on Storage, you'll immediately see your storage usage displayed at the top of the screen. This shows you exactly how much space you've used compared to your total storage limit. For example, you might see something like 5.2 GB of 30 GB used. This gives you a quick snapshot of how much room you have left and whether you need to start thinking about freeing up space or requesting additional storage from your administrator. If you want more detailed information, click on Storage again. This will take you to a file-by-file breakdown where everything is sorted by size. This view is incredibly useful because it shows you exactly which files are taking up the most space in your account. At the top of this list, you'll see your largest files. If you're running low on storage, this is where you can identify which files to delete, move, or archive. It's a straightforward way to manage your space and keep your account running smoothly without hitting any storage caps. And that's it. You now have full visibility into your Google Workspace storage usage and can make informed decisions about managing your files. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.